Hey, welcome to Coffee, 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 your place for average Joe coffee reviews. I've just kind of noticed that I don't like this chair, especially for these videos. It's
they're
like,
kind of reclined.
Hi.
It's maybe too relaxed for
it doesn't
people.
even feel relaxed. I feel tense.
I feel tense too.
So, to get over our tensitiveness, we are reviewing a coffee.
Yes.
And what is it?
It is Dunkin' Donuts Dunkin' Dark, which is their dark roast.
Simple as that.
It's so easy.
Nothing to explain like the last one with that weird turbo espresso shot thing.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. But, so tell us anything that you found out about Dunkin' Donuts coffee or prices.
Well, first of all, we should tell the price in case people don't watch the other review.
I don't remember.
Oh, yeah. It was $6.49 for this 11-ounce bag. And which comes out to $9.44 a pound, which is, on the higher end of things. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive, but still. We got ours at Publix for that price. It was like on a, not buy one, get one, but just like it was just cheaper than normal.
Sale.
It was, right.
That's what that's called.
It was called a sale, yeah. And here's a fun fact about Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes.
They sell 1.7 billion cups of coffee every year.
1.7
That's a lot
billion.
of coffee.
How many donuts do they sell?
Oh, I have no idea.
No.
I just was interested in that. But
Yeah.
anyway, founded in Quincy, Massachusetts, birthplace of John Quincy Adams, John Adams, and John Hancock.
Interesting.
It's a suburb of Boston. I looked it up because I was curious.
It's near Harvard.
Harvard, park your car in Harvard Yard.
That's right. So, Dunkies, they don't sell to a lot of people then.
They do?
No.
No?
1 point something billion cups of coffee?
Yeah, it's a lot of coffee.
Yeah, but there's 7 billion people, and the people who drink coffee drink it every day.
That's true, but they're having to compete with Starbucks, and they sell a lot of donuts. Anyway, I think they do a fine job. But the question is, this coffee, because this is different than like what they're selling in the store. This is the homebrew type of thing. So we should try it. And then we've been drinking it for all week.
Tell you what we think.
Our bag's getting low. So, I have thoughts. Would you like me to go first, or do you want to go first?
I'll go first.
Such a gentleman.
My favorite thing about this coffee is that the bag is almost empty.
Oh my gosh! I'm so sad because I love this coffee.
No way!
Yes!
Oh, how are we going to do the table?
Oh no! We're going to have to make a she recommends, he doesn't recommend.
It's like
Oh man. This is the first time this has ever happened.
I don't know. I just don't really...
Oh man,
It's probably just my overall mood.
Yeah, maybe.
I've been, the hurricane and everything.
Yeah, still trying
Sleeping
to get
on the
back
floor.
Our mattress, it was ruined. We had to get a new one.
Finally got it yesterday.
Yeah, the needle. Yeah. But, okay, so what do you not like about the coffee? Because I'm stunned. Still.
I don't know. I just didn't
You just
like
don't like it. Okay, well.
It just doesn't, it was like... I judge... it's hard for me to, say about the flavor of something, but I judge whether or not I like a coffee if it's easy for me to get to the bottom of the mug. And this one is just not easy for me to get to the bottom of the mug. Sometimes I'm just like...
I thought this is going to be our coffee.
No, I think still that 4th Avenue, 4th Street, something.
Bistro. Oh, well, that's not...
Seattle's best.
It's not my favorite.
No, but it was one that we both were
price.
very clear on. Yeah, it was $4.50.
Okay. So here's what I love about... Oh, and this is Rainforest certified. I didn't realize that. Oh, 30% of it is. The rest of it is not.
It's the devil.
Yeah. But, no. Okay, so here's what I love about this coffee. First of all, I could tell an immediate difference between this coffee and the other coffee. Like, the first day you brought it to me, I was like, oh. I didn't say it out loud because we try to keep that secret between us. But it was chocolatey. It was rich. It was delicious. Buy this coffee. It's so good.
Maybe because I'm older, And
your taste buds are kind of kicking the bucket.
That's what I'm saying. They're just kind of... Because it just tasted kind of...
Like blah?
Yeah.
I think it's very
I
rich.
don't know what happened.
That's funny because we have agreed on almost everything,
Yeah.
right? I mean, yeah, but well, there you
So
go.
we will have to update the table with a he
Kayla,
would buy
yeah.
it again, she would not.
Right. Yeah.
And whoever controls the purse strings. And you know why they call it purse strings?
Right.
Because the woman controls it.
Would you stop? It's not true.
So anything else to add about this subpar coffee?
It is delicious, and you should buy it immediately. It's totally worth the money, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, because it's it's less than $10 a bag, so
Pound.
I mean a pound. Sorry, per pound. So yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
I recommend it.
Well, we're going to have to disagree on it. And then make an update to the table.
Yep.
So you'll see that the table changes. If you go back there, you'll find out what we've done differently.
Right.
And yeah, anything else about it?
I think that's it.
Okay. Well, if you have a coffee that I like
Yeah.
or will like,
And thanks for the recommendations. We've gotten several recommendations on coffee we should try. Like chock full of nuts was one, although we've tried that a long time ago, but nuts is we've not reviewed it on here. And then also there was like a kicking horse coffee, and there was one other one. Do you remember?
Dead Man something.
There's another one. But anyway, but thanks for the suggestions. Keep them coming because we definitely want to know what you guys want us to try.
Yes. And along with your suggestions,
No.
we
I'm
offer
gonna ask you
thanks.
to send us coffee. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at Coffee Show, and on our website at coffeecoffeecoffeeshow.com, where you can find that table that we mentioned that has all the coffees that we have reviewed, and then like an outline along with them, and then we're going to add in that new column for he said, she said.
Yep. There you go.
So just pay attention to the he said.
She said.
Okay, good?
Yep. Happy drinking. That doesn't sound right.